Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about the topic of using Word, Microsoft Word in order to create assignments and also how to upload assignments into Moodle. First of all, I want to show you where to find the hard copy of this lesson. It's in all the courses of Dundrum under General College courses. General College courses has courses for all of the students in the college. And the first one is called How to Use Moodle. Also interesting to know that there is another course which is called Practice Uploading Assignments, which is open to all the students and all the teachers in case you want to have first-hand practice and experience on how to upload assignments without worrying about the actual modules themselves. But if you click on How to Use Moodle, there are a number of lessons under the topic Moodle, how to navigate this platform, and the lesson number 0, creating assignments in Word and uploading to Moodle, is the first step for your journey into your creating your assignments in Moodle. So that lesson, I have it saved here in a Word document, and it basically covers the most basic topics, even finding out how to access your files in a computer, how to create a folder, creating a new document, things like adding text, decorating your assignments, adding pictures, resizing pictures, perhaps adding a table, page numbers. And then there's a couple of things that are useful as students where you can actually dictate. If you are not very comfortable with typing, you can dictate, and you can also translate your document from your language into English and vice versa. Finally, section 11 deals with how to save the assignments in a PDF format, which is usually the format that your teachers will ask you to use, and then uploading that into Moodle. So in this lesson, we start with the very basics of how to even handle the mouse, a little bit of terminology that you are likely to hear, things like a left click, which is used for selecting things. The right click is used to applying a command to anything that has been selected. And then sometimes if the mouse has a wheel on the top, that is used for navigating the pages up and down, scrolling up and down. There are other things that are interesting. For example, the undo button, that is sometimes very handy to know, because you could be working on a document doing things that you're not happy about and you can undo. We get you to be familiar with the keyboard, finding the most important keys on the keyboard apart from the letters themselves. So we have things like the delete, enter, backspace, the shift key, which is the one that you use for capital letters, caps on, numbers on, control alt, spacebar, and add. So all of those are actually highlighted here, and it's good for you if you're not familiar with the keyboard to familiarize yourself with those things. The next thing in this lesson, we deal with how to create a folder. And so straight away I want to show you that your main page has a couple of navigation panels. I'm just going to go to a normal blank document so that you're not distracted. In your computer you should have a navigation panel at the bottom of the screen, and the things that you will find there are important. So for example, the 4 windows that happen either on the very left hand side at the bottom or sometimes in around this area, those 4 windows are called the start button. So from there, when you click in it, you will see the number of applications that are in your computer, and you can see how you can actually, with this bar, you can go up and down to see the many things that are installed in your computer. Of course, one of those many things is Microsoft Word, which you can see at the bottom because it's in alphabetic order. But there are many other things that you can find in your computer. So that's important for you to know what these 4 windows mean. So any time that you need to find something in your computer, you click these 4 windows, and that's the star button. The next thing that is important for you to know is this yellow folder. So the yellow folder gives you the locations into which you can find information in your computer. And again, it has 2 areas. The first area is the left-hand side. And then the second area, which is divided by this line here, is the right-hand side. So we could maybe refer to this as cabinets in which you store different things, items, folders, files. So this would be, say, the main cabinets, and in each one of those cabinets you would have different drawers or folders. So I'm going to take a look at the downloads, which at the moment is empty, just to show you that I will be able to create a new folder and add documents into that folder. And so just to get you started as a kind of a new journey as a student that hopefully organizes the study space and anything that is related with your study and your modules, that can be organized in a way that you're able to locate. So I'm going to deal that with another video, part 2 of this lesson. But for now, important for you to know where to find this yellow folder in your computer and where to find the start button.